Hi everyone, this is Dharti Bhatt. In today's video, we are going to see a very important configuration in Zoho People, that is the roles and permission. Roles and permission are very important to define the person who can access the details, who can have the access rights to edit some of the data or delete the data or add some new details or everything. So this roles and permissions is completely based on your internal processes that you can define into the system. So why this is most important? Because these roles will be defined, that who will be on the managerial position and who can access the request, who can approve the request, and who can be have a final approval for the processes. So this is based on your internal process, and let's see how to set up the roles and permission into Zoho People. For that, we need to log into the Zoho People, then go to settings, and from here need navigate to manage accounts. From here, user access and control, and you can add a general role from here by clicking on this blue button. Or if you are having a rules over here, already you have defined some rules, and but now you want to rename that particular rules, and directly you can go to that role, can add it, and you can have no you can directly edit this rule name from here and just simply to save it. If any of the particular rule is not no more existing in your requirement, then simply you can just delete the role from here. But for that, you need to first verify that no employee has been assigned under this particular role. If any of the employee is assigning for this role, then system will not be allow you to delete the particular role type. So here I have no employee under this role, so I can directly delete the data from here. To add a new role, just click on that add a new role, then team, for example, we can have the HR head or HR manager, whatever. So what role we want to define from them? So this clone role is, we can say that it will be a duplicate role for which existing role. For example, team in charge and team manager will be having the same access, but some of the restrictions with the forms and field level. So that change we can add from this particular process or particular module. But overall, the accessibility will be same for this both the role. Then you can clone this particular role with the existing role. So HR manager will be having a right for the managerial or team lead or team manager or director, whatever. So if director is having a full access, then HR person will need to clone the role for that if it's related to manager. So let's take an example, clone this role as a manager role and create it. So this is how you simply you can create a role from here. You can directly assign your role from here. From the drop down list, you just need to select your employee who to whom you want to assign this particular role, and then just assign this role from here and save it. So this particular employee will be follow to the particular role. The alternative way is that you can go to the employees information or manage accounts. From here, just open the employee's personal details, and under here Zoho role, you can edit it. Just select from the drop down which role you want to assign them. So for example, it's team in charge. Let's take an example, then team in charge, and save this role. Okay, I have just deleted these roles. Let me give the team member role from here and save it. This is how you can directly define Zoho role under employees information as well as user access and control. Thank you.